welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing Miss to Mrs. box. Today our box has a new design. It's not hot pink, it says like Miss to Mrs. all over it. So we're gonna be opening it up. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's pink on the inside for every bride to be. So these new boxes are supposed to be more sustainable, so they are now fully recyclable. Okay, this one says bride vibes. I think the theme of this box is going to be like eliminating stress, stuff like that. So we're not going to look at this side because it shows what's in here, but once again, packaged beautifully. Let's open it up. Okay, I got this. Let's see what's inside. So it says Miss to Mrs. Wedding Planning Guide. And it's a bunch of cards like what we had in our first box. So this one has smoothie recipes and healthy habits and body positivity on this side. Fitness exercises. So I'm going to grab this next because I don't know what this is. Ooh. It's like a belt. I'm actually just gonna look at this and see. It's a resistance band. That's, oh, so this is for like workouts and it's cute too. Okay, let's try and, it says Miss to Mrs. here. It's really tight resistance band. That's so awesome. And it's like really good quality too. There's some rubber in here on the inside so it doesn't slip. Yeah, and it's got this really cute design. This is really nice. All right, the next thing in here is this. It says mindfulness cards. Set of 52 affirmation cards that will help remind you to focus on the big picture. And on the back it says, breathe in positivity, exhale negativity. Wedding planning can be stressful and overwhelming. These affirmation cards will help to remind you to relieve stress and feel calmer as you plan your big day. Display cards in our cute heart-shaped metal stand on your desk or vision board and practice positive affirmations daily. Aww, look at this. So cute. I'm guessing it's supposed to be stood like this. That's adorable. Alright, let's take out these cards and look at them. This pink one says wedding planning. The blue one says happy relationship. The orange says love and respect. The light blue says mental health. And the purple says self-love. So you can take one and you can put it on in this little stand here. And you can display it like this. That's so cute. Alright, so the next thing that I see is this water bottle. Ooh, it's glass. says seize the day glass water bottle. It's 20 ounces. It's BPA free, PVC, polycarbonate free, no leaching, no residue, for cold drinks only. Dishwasher safe, but hand wash is recommended. It's got, ooh, okay, it's like got this frosted look. And it says 8 a.m. and 2 p.m., 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., 11 and 5, 12 and 6, and then refill so you can go down again. And then on this side, start your day with lemon water, take care of your body, make yourself a priority, keep calm, and plan on stress less. And it's got a cute little flower. I love how it's like frosted, and the fact that it's glass too. This is really cute. I love me a good water bottle, so I'm definitely gonna be using this. So the next thing in here is a tank top. It says bride vibes only. And I'm assuming this is like a workout tank top to go with the workout, the other workout stuff. It's very, like light material. Bride vibes only. It might be a little bit loose, but I think that's like the point, is that it's like a workout tank top. This is the back. It's like a very silky, soft material, so that's good. It's like lastly in here is another bag. Bride Vibes bucket bag. Ooh. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a canvas, not canvas. It's like a waterproof fabric. It's got a pocket on the inside here. And some strings you can pull if you want to close it. So I think it's supposed to be like a gym bag that's sweat proof. But it says Bride Vibes here, so that's cute. And that's everything that was in the box. We got this resistance band, mindfulness cards, this lovely water bottle, this Bride Vibes bag, which has like a flat bottom, this planning guide with tips, and this Bride Vibes only tank top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite item was, and if you had to pick one to get for yourself, what would it be? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JasmineTheWaffle, and don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye guys!